Remember when space travel was the stuff of sci-fi movies and Saturday morning cartoons? Well, dust off your childhood dreams, because the final frontier is making a grand comeback. And this time, it's not just for astronauts and aliens. Welcome to the renaissance of space exploration, where private companies are joining the cosmic party, and the future is looking more Star Trek than ever before. From government-only to galactic globetrotters, for decades, space exploration was the exclusive playground of government agencies like NASA and Roscosmos. But now, a new wave of private companies, led by trailblazers like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic, are crashing the space party like uninvited yet much welcomed guests. These companies aren't just launching rockets, they're launching a revolution. The new players in town, SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk. SpaceX aims to make space travel as routine as a trip to the grocery store. Okay, maybe not that routine, but you get the idea. They've already made history with reusable rockets and the first private crewed mission to the International Space Station. Next on their list, Mars. Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' baby. Blue Origin is all about making space travel more accessible. They've been testing suborbital flights, and their vision includes space tourism and habitats in orbit. If you've ever dreamed of sipping a mojito in zero gravity, Bezos might just make it happen. Virgin Galactic. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic is focusing on space tourism. Imagine a few minutes of weightlessness and a view of Earth that only a handful of humans have ever seen. It's like the ultimate roller coaster ride, minus the cotton candy. Commercial space flights to infinity and beyond. The idea of commercial space flights might sound like something out of a sci-fi novel, but it's becoming a reality. Companies are working tirelessly to make space travel safe, affordable, and, dare we say it, fashionable. Space tourism. Soon you won't need to be a billionaire or an astronaut to visit space. Companies are planning to offer trips that allow ordinary, relatively wealthy folks to experience weightlessness and gaze at the Earth from the blackness of space. It's the kind of vacation that'll make your beach getaway look like a trip to the local mall. Orbital hotels. Think of luxury resorts, but in orbit. Companies are exploring the idea of orbital hotels where you can float around in your suit, enjoy cosmic views from your window, and dine on gourmet space food. Forget room service. How about a view of a sunrise every 90 minutes? Mars colonization. Hacking for the red planet. Mars has been the darling of space enthusiasts for decades. With private companies entering the fray, the dream of colonizing the red planet is edging closer to reality. Elon Musk's vision. Musk's plan is to build a self-sustaining city on Mars. He envisions fleets of starships ferrying people and supplies to Mars, turning it into a bustling hub of human activity. Sure, the real estate market might be a bit different. Think less beachfront property and more barren desert, but the potential is astronomical. Challenges and opportunities. Colonizing Mars isn't just about planting a flag and snapping a selfie. There are significant challenges, from radiation exposure to producing food and oxygen. But the opportunities for scientific discovery, technological advancement, and perhaps even new forms of government and society are boundless. Plus, who wouldn't want to be the first to leave a Yelp review for a Martian diner? Beyond Mars, the final frontier. While Mars is the current hot destination, the universe has so much more to offer. Asteroid mining. Companies are eyeing asteroids as potential gold mines, literally. Asteroids are rich in precious metals and other resources that could be mined and used in space or brought back to Earth. Picture a space prospector with a laser pickaxe, mining for fortune and glory. Interstellar travel. This is where things really get wild. Concepts like warp drives and wormholes, straight out of Star Trek, are being seriously considered. While we're not quite there yet, the idea of traveling to other star systems and discovering new worlds is no longer just fantasy. The Renaissance is here. We are standing at the dawn of a new era in space exploration. With private companies pushing boundaries and turning dreams into reality, the future of space travel looks incredibly exciting. Whether it's a weekend getaway to an orbital hotel, colonizing Mars, or mining asteroids, the possibilities are as endless as the universe itself. So pack your bags, don't forget your spacesuit, and get ready for an adventure that's truly out of this world. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, in space, no one can hear your screams, except maybe your fellow tourists, when you tell them how much you paid for that zero-gravity mojito. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.